In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 11 Labs account. Sign up for 11 Labs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official site and create your account quickly and safely using your Google login. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading to Google. You can type google.com in the address bar or simply open a new tab if Google is your default start page. Using Google helps you reach the official 11 Labs website without needing to remember the exact address. In the Google search box, type 11 Labs as one word, then press enter. Spelling matters here because similar names can lead to unrelated results. Using the correct name will bring the official site to the top. This also helps you avoid lookalikes or ads that may not be what you're looking for. On the results page, look for the official 11 Labs result, usually at the domain 11labs.io. You should see the brand name clearly and a secure lock icon in your browser's address bar after you open it. Click that official link to go to the site. If you're ever unsure, double-check the URL before continuing. Once you're on the 11 Labs website, look for the sign-in option, typically at the top right. Click it to open the sign-in page. Here, choose Sign In with Google. This method uses Google's secure sign-in system, so you don't have to create and manage a separate password. It's fast, familiar, and uses Google's authentication to keep your login safe. When prompted, select the Google account you want to use. If you're already signed in to Google in your browser, you'll see your accounts listed. Just click the one you prefer. If you're not signed in yet, you may be asked to enter your email and password and possibly complete two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. That's normal and adds an extra layer of security. After you confirm, you'll be redirected back to 11 Labs, and if it's your first time, your new account will be created automatically and you'll be signed in. That's it. Your 11 Labs account is ready. From here, you can explore the dashboard, get familiar with the interface, and bookmark the site so it's easy to return later. If you're on a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're done. Keep your login details private and be cautious about sharing any tokens or keys associated with your account. If the layout looks a little different, don't worry. Websites evolve, but these steps remain the same. Search, open the official site, and sign in with Google.